everyone. Today is 20th November and I am in the Munich exhibition. We have a lot of products we introduce in this exhibition. Today I wanted to introduce some of our products to you. Here we can see a lot of cards we use it to make some function test. This is an I/O card, and this is an analog test card, and this is a matrix card, and this is a matrix complex card. And here we have a test unit. You can see that we can put a lot of cards inside of our test unit. In this test box, you can use it for a lot of function tests. Today I want to show you an example. Can you see that? Here is an EOL test. We call the end of line. We use our test unit and some external instrument to make a system. This system is used to test the ECU from electronic vehicle. You can see that. Here are electronic loaders and DC powers. And here we also have a digital meter. We use a simple fixture. We can do a lot of test functions by test software. The software is developed by Test Stand and Labware. And this machine we call the PTI-300. It's very, very usable and multiple work, can do a lot of testing. Okay, so next let's go to see some inline test equipment. Here is an inline mechanism. We can put ICT, FCT inside of our test system. If you put ICT inside it, we call the ICT automatic test line. If you put FCT inside it, you can call it FCT inline test solution. And this brand name is 8090. Okay, here is our software. This is used for ICT testing, and the number is PTI-818S. And this board is under testing, and this board is manufactured by some electronic vehicle car. And we can see here. Let's have a look. The board is under testing. Wait me for a moment. The board will automatically in the inside port. So let's see more detailed things about it. Let's open it. You can see the press here is all controlled by servo motor. We can control it precisely. Here is a protection cotton to protect ourselves. And the fixture inside of that. Here we can see a lot of manual panel. We can operate this mechanism by these buttons. Okay, so let's go the next step and have a look about some manual test. Here is a test station for manual test. You can see that we call the model 8 PTI-818S2. It can test the ICT, program thermal flashing, and function test. We can combine it together. Okay, so I will show you the detailed information about this test fixture. Let's stop the tester. We can open it. We can do it manually. It under test. Okay, so let's have a look about the inside of our system. You just use only one